Blow me a kiss. Blake. I want you to blow me a kiss. Yes. Oh, thank you. Blow Grandma a kiss. Blake. Blake. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. You gonna give it to Grandma? Yes. No, not in your mouth. You give it to Grandma. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's so pretty. Here he comes. He said, now what are you going to do with it, Blake? Blake. Give it to Grandma. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What you gonna do with it? Thank you. You did the right thing. You gave it to Grandma. Thank you. Do you see the pretty flowers? They're purple. Purple flowers. Yes. Purple flowers. Yes. Pretty. Say pretty. Pretty flowers. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. They're green. Green. You trying to pull the weeds? You helping Mommy and Daddy? Oh, aren't you a... Bring it to Grandma. Bring it to Grandma. Thank you. You are such a good boy. Yes. Give it to Grandma. Thank you. Thank you. He's a good boy. He knows what to do. Patty cake. Patty cake, a baker's man. Patty cake, baker's man. Not today. It's too fun out here. It's too interesting. Don't need any patty cakes. I think you went in the garden instead of on the stairs. You missed. Yes, you missed. Now you're sitting on the step. Good job. You fixed it.